there, I'm Lindsay with HubSpot Academy. With today's empowered buyer, you need to be in the mindset that your best marketing channel is actually going to be your existing customers. And when your customers succeed, it's going to be your best predictor for business growth. Your customers will help prove your brand's values. Buyers used to decide primarily on what the company had to say, but now they primarily decide based on what the company's customers have to say. It's now shifted to word of mouth. Reviews are more important than ever before. The ability to gather word of mouth as a consumer of almost everything has improved. Have you ever looked up a restaurant's reviews before making a reservation? What about asking a question to your network on social media if they've had any experience with a product that you've been looking into? Or looking at different platform reviews before purchasing a new software for your business? You do this because you trust opinions. Consumers are faced with way more choices. Emerging technologies have expanded to let people create products and companies more easily. Everyone is competing for attention. So it makes sense that consumers rely so heavily on word of mouth. If you're practicing inbound, you're putting your buyer in the center of your business. You need to build a delightful end-to-end experience tailored around your buyer's journey and every experience they have with you. This includes their experience with you after they've purchased. Marketing doesn't end after you pass a qualified lead off to sales. Marketing is part of the entire methodology and fits nicely into the delight stage. The inbound methodology outlines how customers who are delighted will become promoters of your business and can help you attract more strangers to your business. Why would you tell a friend about a product or business? Why do you promote a business or product? Take a moment to think about that. Well, it's because of trust. If you establish trust with people, chances are they'll recommend your product or service to their friends and family. Marketing can help play a big role in turning a customer into a promoter and helping the promoters influence those that don't know about your business. Promoters help continuously move people through the inbound methodology. You need to serve your website visitors, your leads, your customers, and most importantly, your promoters. Sales and marketing alignment is just as important as customer service and marketing alignment, as is sales and customer service alignment as well. If your business strategy revolves around the customer, you'll need to have a customer success strategy that leverages cross-department collaboration and integration. The need for a coordinated marketing and customer service relationship is only more important now, with customers increasingly turning to social media as a way to communicate with the business. Word of mouth will happen if you're building what should feel like a more personalized one-to-one relationship. The trick is how to facilitate that in a way that's both unique and scalable. Your job is to help each customer get the unique support they need to be successful. Supporting customer delight is an investment in retention and revenue. Your priority should be to serve people and serve your customers.